And on a scale of the evil queen to Minnie Mouse, I'm about a Donald Duck.
That scale makes no sense.
My scale makes perfect sense. The day has come.
Buzz! I don't see him in the driveway. I think he bounced into Sid's yard. Oh, Buzz!
Let us all have a moment of silence for our fallen intended topper, Buzz Lightyear. And now, ceremonial placing of the new topper. I think he actually fits the truck a little better. Protest against the summer continues today. The black pants, though, are a lot hotter than my other ones. So, the summer might be a victor again today. I'm still not feeling... last night I was like under 40%. Today I'm under like 60%. It's just... I'm getting there, but I'm not there yet. Got some time to wander before class. I've never been to the top floor of this building. Let's see what we can see. I think that's the only window. There's usually a staircase here. Huh. It's currently 3:47. Let's see how long it takes me to get home. I don't have any plans for this evening, but I do have to work on that Haiti video. Because you know, I went to Haiti a few months ago, and I have to make a video for the gala. We have this big fundraiser that we do for Haiti every year, and I'm making the video for it. And the gala is this Friday, but I haven't started the video yet. I don't want to hear like, oh Kevin, you're so lazy because you haven't started the video yet. It's actually because I'm not lazy that I haven't started the video, because I've had so much to do. But I'm not worried. I work very well under pressure. I'll have a few sleepless nights. I'll get sick again, but the video is gonna get done. Darth Vader turned sideways throughout the day. I hope this isn't a reoccurring issue, because he might just always be facing the car next to me. But that actually might work. guess what we got today?
What?
$50 gift card.
The gift card.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
because
For Food and Wine
unlimited
Festival.
passes or
Yeah.
something per couple.
We're going to
Yeah.
Disney. Ashley, on a scale of Maleficent to Mickey Mouse, how excited are you for Disney World? On a scale of Ursula to Goofy, how excited are you for Disney World? On a scale of the Evil Queen to Minnie Mouse, how excited are you for Disney World? Are you excited at all? Well, I'm excited. On a scale of Maleficent to Mickey Mouse, I'm a Mickey Mouse. On a scale of Ursula to Goofy, I'm a Goofy. And on a scale of the Evil Queen to Minnie Mouse, I'm about a Donald Duck.
That scale makes no sense.
My scale makes perfect sense.
But that doesn't explain your excitement or your disappointment for Disney World.
Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Like an 8.5.
So on a scale of Maleficent to Mickey Mouse, you're about a Donald Duck.
No, that makes no sense.
We're only a week and a half away from Disney. As I've been saying in the past about a week, am getting really, really excited for Disney World. We're going to be going for the Food and Wine Festival. They have it every fall. They've got food and wine and drinks and all kinds of stuff from all different countries throughout the World Showcase in Epcot. And it's going to be incredible because we've never done it before. We've been going to Disney my entire life, and I've never been there. Well, I've been there during Food and Wine. I've never participated in the Food and Wine Festival. I am getting so excited. I'm getting to a point where I can't think straight this evening, so I'm just gonna leave you guys here. So choose virtue, choose life. So long for now. Apparently, Georgia's in like a gas crisis.